Okay, today we are going to ashram. Today we are going to ashram of Ramalinga Swami. Okay, just want to tell you briefly about Ramalinga Swami. Ramalinga Swami lost his parents when he was young. Okay, he was taken care by his uncle. He was brought up by his uncle. Uncle was a great scholar. He was a great scholar in many of this Shiva Purana and teachings of Shiva. This boy was sent to school. When he was sent to school, he was so intelligent. The teacher felt that nothing is there for him to teach. The teacher came and said, "I can't teach this boy." The uncle thought this boy is so mischievous actually. It's a misunderstanding. And he told his wife not to feed this boy until he studies. His sister was giving food to him, and Ramalinga Swami's his uncle's wife used to feed him discreetly so that he survived. One day Ramalinga Swami came, and he was 4 or 5 year old. He came and told that, "I want a small lamp and a place to sit." So uncle becomes very happy. So he gives a lamp. Ramalinga Swami goes to the first floor of the house, locks himself for 24 continuously and meditates. He meditates on the light. Light is not the physical light, the light of the self, Atma Jyoti. Light of the self is Perunjyoti. Perunjyoti is called Paranjyoti. Paranjyoti, Parandhama, that is actually the name of Narayana. So he meditated on that supreme light, Paranjyoti, and he had a realization of Muruga, Subramanya. And he had a tremendous wisdom opened up in him, the enlightened wisdom. He was 7 year old when one of the days his uncle was not able to go to a public function where he was supposed to speak on Shiva Purana. And he sends this boy, "Please go and tell them that I am not coming." So this boy goes and then asks, what is the topic today? Then Shiva Purana, the first sloka they say. Then the boy starts speaking on that, and the audience is spellbound. A person who has never studied in school is speaking on Shiva Purana, and just first word of the Shiva Purana it takes and expands. Audience is mesmerized. They come and tell this uncle, "From tomorrow onwards you don't come to Sabha." He sent this boy only. That is the state of wisdom that this boy gained just by enlightenment. Okay, so now then he got married because his uncle asked him to get married, and he established a place called Gnana Sabha. He says this thing is the greatest sadhana is compassion to living beings, compassion to animals, compassion to human beings, feeding the hungry. So last 150 years, the Gnana Sabha has been feeding the hungry people continuously. That's the Gnana Sabha. And in that actually the compassion led to intense purification. I spoke of Sushumna. Okay, so what happens is that the deep compassion, the prana rises in Sushumna, and that impulses are sent throughout the body, through all other channels, and every nadi gets purified, and every cell of the body gets purified, and his body became the body of light. There was no shadow falling on when sunlight falls, there's no shadow. It became almost transparent, and pure compassion and love which has made that body transparent. And he used to cover his body with white cloth because otherwise the body would be transparent. That was a Britishers' time actually. So 1874 he entered into one room. Then he told his disciples that, "I want to become pure light entering into everybody's heart." Now this pure light is not physical light, not Agni, Vayu, Akasha, Prithvi. This is not pure light. This is physical light. He became the pure light of consciousness, Chaitanya, Atma Jyoti, Brahma Jyoti, Perunjyoti. That is the Perunjyoti. And he said, "I want to enter into the life of all living beings for bringing compassion." And the door was closed. Next day morning when they opened the door, there was nobody, except that one lamp. Today is the day we entered, today is 26th January. In 1874, he entered into that room. And one day in a year, that lamp will be that room will be open. It's a pure place, pure vibrations. Let us go there and take as much light as possible when you want to go. So, Ramalinga Swami is light of compassion, pure light of compassion, Perunjoti.